First is DHT hormone, which is responsible for your hair loss. If you are having excessive androgen hormone in your body, it shrinks your hair follicles. Pranam. My name is Bholi Parihar and I welcome you all to Sai Yoga. Friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you 100% natural Ayurvedic and Yogic treatment for your hair fall related to your hair. If you are having any kind of problem, if you're losing your hair, if you are having a problem of gray hair, if you are facing the problem of thinning of the hair, or your roots are really weak. So if you are having any kind of problem related to your hair, then follow these simple steps. Now first let's discuss what are the three major reasons behind this of your hair fall or problems related to your hair. I'm going to tell you the biggest three reasons. First is this, that means stress. Second, your digestive related issues, which is directly connected to your blood, and blood works as a messenger which contains all the vitamins, all the minerals, which send all these vitamins to the hair or the different body parts. And the last and final third problem is your hormonal imbalance in your body. And all these are connected with each other. As if you are having a mental stress, you get the disbalance of the hormones in the body. Due to the imbalance of the hormones, you are having a problems related to your digestion. Now, the biggest two mistakes which you should avoid if you are having hair related issues. First biggest problem, that check your shampoo. If your shampoo is containing paraben or sulfur, then stop using them. Aside from this, start using herbal shampoos. Second, that your diet, if you're following the messy diet, if you're having a junk food, nothing gonna happen. That means this problem will continue. So these are the biggest two mistakes we generally do and we are not even aware about it. Let me give you the example that your blood works as a messenger. If you're eating burger, pizza, or if you're having all the bad foods which has no nutrition value, which has no vitamins, then what actually our blood give to our hair? Because blood has nothing. Blood works as messenger. If blood don't have all the vitamins, then how blood could give all these vitamins to our hair? This is the biggest problem. So diet is the biggest problem, that we are not following the right diet. So I will tell you. First, let's discuss that what are the major vitamins and minerals which are responsible for hair growth. So first is vitamin A, B, C, D, E, zinc, iron, vitamin B6, B12, biotin. So these are the major vitamins which is responsible for your hair growth. Where from we could get all these vitamins? Relax. You have to follow these 4 drinks which will help you to detoxify your body, purify your blood, improve your digestion, and most importantly that give all the vitamins, all the nutrition's value which your blood actually need, and if blood have everything, it could send to your hair. So first drink that you have to follow, the spinach juice. Take spinach juice for 15 days and then change the drink. Then second drink, ashgar juice. Ashgar juice is really very good to do the detoxification of your body and give all the nutrition value to your blood, to your hair. Third, this juice is mix of 3 combination: avla, coriander and curry leaves. These 3 things have multiple of vitamins, antioxidant properties which help you in the regrowing of your hair. And the last and final drink is carrot juice. Yes, carrot juice has multiple of vitamins which take care of your hair. So follow all these drinks to make your hair naturally strong and shiny. Now let's come to the seeds and nuts. You could take almonds, walnuts, chia seeds. All these nuts and the seeds have multiple of vitamins which is really very good for your hair. What are the major 3 main hormones which is responsible for your hair loss? That means first is DHT hormone which is responsible for your hair loss. If you are having excessive DHT hormone in your body, then you start losing your hair. Second hormone is androgen hormone. Androgen hormone, what happen if you're having excessive androgen hormone in your body? It shrinks your hair follicles. Hair follicles are things that where from our hair actually grow, and that's how you start losing your hair or multiple problem of your hair. Third major hormone is testosterone. Testosterone is responsible for hair growth, but if you're not having a sufficient testosterone in your body, then it could lead the hair loss also. So these are the major three hormones that which could lead the hair related issues. Now simply follow all these drinks which could help you to prevent all those things. Now let me tell you that before hair wash or after hair wash, what actually you should follow. So I'm going to share the oiling of your hair, that which oil you should use. Now the question comes, many people question mark that you should not use the hair oil. Why? If you look at the ancient time, we are using the herbal oils which really good for our hair. Many people say that our hair naturally secrete the natural hair oil, but is it sufficient for your hair? It actually containing all the vitamins and minerals which we actually need for the hair growth? No. That means you have to give, or you have to keep your body internally clean, and you have to give all these vitamins from the outside also. So what you have to do, you have to use the castor oil or the coconut oil, but I recommend you start using the castor oil. Castor oil having a vitamin A, C, E and the fatty acids also. And take the juice of onion having a antioxidant properties. Also it contains vitamin C, B6 and potassium, which directly help you to regenerate or regrowing your hair. So what you have to do, make 2 spoon of castor oil and 2 spoon of onion juice, or according to the length of your hair, and leave your hair for 15 minutes to 30 minutes, and then you could wash your hair. After washing your hair, never use the dryer or the heating products over your entire hair. Let it dry naturally. Now how many times you have to follow this remedy? So you could try this remedy thrice a week or twice a week. Now let me tell you the 100% natural mask for your hair. So take 2 bowls of curry leaves and take the fresh aloe vera, not gel, but take the proper aloe vera and put it into the mixie, grind it well, and you could get the proper thick paste. After getting this thick paste, apply over your hair. It has a multiple of vitamins which will help you to maintain your pH level of your entire hair. If you're having a reddish in your roots of your hair, if you're losing your hair, then this mask is really very helpful. So how many times you have to apply this? You say twice a week or once a week. Now question comes that your blood is containing all the things. How you could send this blood which have everything to your hair? So 3 posture, 3 asana. First posture is downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. So open your fingers, tuck your toes inside, lift your knees up, and while you're doing this, loose your hair. Don't use any hair tie right now because I'm shooting. That's why I'm tying my hair. So your head should be down. Hold this posture for 1 minute if you could. If you're having problem with this posture, tuck your knees down and you could hold this posture in this variation. This is easy to hold, and then come back. Now let's come to the second posture. Lie down on your mat. Second posture is Ardha Halasana or half flow pose. So support your back with your hands in this way and straight your legs. If it's possible for you, stretch your toes inside. If it's being difficult, then you can gently bend your knees a little bit. Close your eyes. This is how you are sending the oxygenated blood which is loaded with all the vitamins and minerals to your head. Hold this posture for 5 minutes, and you could do this posture with taking the support of the wall even. So 1 minute to 5 minutes according to the capacity of your body. Then come back. Last and final posture is Sarvangasana. How to do the Sarvangasana? First, both legs 90 degree. Shift your legs towards your hair and press your palms against the floor. Give the support to your back and try to straight your legs in this way. Hold this posture according to your capacity, 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Then first slowly move your legs towards your hair or towards your head. Then gently come back. If this posture is being difficult for you, then follow first two postures. Take left turn and sit. Now let's come to the final detoxification kriya, which would help you to give beautiful blood circulation to your head and help you to detoxify all the things over your head. So hand should be here over your knees. Inhale throughout your nostrils. And with the exhalation, start a Kapala Bhati. So, how many times you have to practice this Kapala Bhati? You could practice this Kapala Bhati 10 strokes to 30 strokes, and you could do 3 sets of this. If you want detailed video about Kapala Bhati, then I have already shot a video. Now, I have covered everything about the hair. If I miss anything or if you're having any confusion related to your hair, then comment down. If you give lots of love to this video, then I would love to share the one home remedy shampoo or one Ayurvedic shampoo. You could make it at home and no need to use all the chemical shampoos. Till then, have a sigh of relief.